Okay, this is a Roomba S9 brush fix video. So anyone who has these Roombas knows that this little spinner is always shedding brushes and needs to be fixed. So I found a way to make it last a lot longer. I think this will probably last until I feel like replacing it. So what I have done is taken some welder's glue. It's called Welder. And you can see here, if I can zoom in, there is a small gap in the rubber where the brushes go in. And all I'm doing is filling that gap with some of the welder's glue. And as you can see, these are done. It doesn't look absolutely beautiful, but it's on the bottom of your vacuum cleaner. So it shouldn't make a difference. See if I can push it up so you can see what it looks like when it's done. Just fill it in. So what I used is just a little spatula device. This is a metal spatula tool for taking apart like cell phones. So I'm going to show you, making a mess here, how this is done. And then you probably won't need to keep buying these brushes. If I can get this phone holder to work, because I'm not super fancy like everyone else who makes these videos. So I will show you. Take the glue and just squeeze a little bit into the gap. Come around the other side. Well, probably going to get sick watching the video from all the movement. Alright, squeeze a little bit in there. It's a little stringy, but it doesn't really matter. Come around to the other one and squeeze it into that hole. And then take this one, and you can't really see probably, but I'm going to just squeeze it into that hole. And then if you have a little bit of excess, just take the little spatula and kind of smooth it out. I think the more of it that is actually on the brushes, the better it'll work. So like on the other ones, I'm going to add a little bit more to the top and a little bit more to the bottom. This part does not do any of the cleaning. It just holds the brushes. So hopefully this will last longer. Glue has been very, very good on a lot of different applications. It works good on rubber, works good on foam. I don't make any sort of anything off of these videos. It's just easier ways of doing things in life that I feel like I should share with people. And that's it. The one thing about this glue is it takes a little bit of time to dry, and if it gets on your hands, it's going to be really, really sticky and tacky. So I would just recommend having like a washcloth that's wet and do that. You don't need to have this in a vise. Probably tacks up in about 10 minutes. But as you can see, these are now glued. So this is a brand new one, and hopefully it will it'll work. Good luck.